Hey, what's up guys, me Droid here, back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial guys I'm going to show you how you can make a smooth shake on your The application I'm gonna be using is Alight Motion. This app is available on Android and iPhone, so if you don't have it, go and download it. So once you have opened that application, Alight Motion, the thing you need to do, go on project and you have to make a new project. And so to do that, you just need to click on this plus button down there. Click on it. You can change some setting if you need, but I'm gonna go ahead with this one. Just let's tap create. And once you have done to tap on create, you will have a screen which look like this. So here you can click on this plus button down here to add some shapes, text or media drawing elements. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a picture that I want to use for my shake. You can add your video or your photo that you want to use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my picture. And once you have done to add your picture or video that you want to use, it will just come in your screen on Alight Motion app. So the first thing you have to do is just to tap on the video or photo that you have just added. So tap on it, and as you can see, there is many options. There is color fill, border, shadow, blending, opacity, movement, transform. So what you're gonna use here is just gonna go on effects. So just gonna go ahead and add some effect to make our shake. So you have just need to click on add effect and to find the effect that you want. As you can see, there's many options. So here just keep going and just go on move and transform. Once you're going to go on move and transform, the effect I'm gonna be looking for is this effect, which is oscillate. So go ahead and add the effect which named oscillate. Click on oscillate effect, and here we have to change some settings. So the angle you can add, you need to use the keyframes. So keyframes, to add the keyframe, you just need to click on this diamond shape right here. As you can see, where there is this shape moving, this is the keyframe to animate your project. So just tap on it and add first keyframe. And the first keyframe, you just need to go on angle and change it to 180. Change it to 180 and bring it all the way in the beginning, and also add another keyframe and take it to 0 and take it there in the end. And we're gonna go on frequency. You just don't need to change anything, just gonna go ahead and go to magnitude. And on magnitude, you also need to add some keyframes. So just click on here and add keyframes. Just the first keyframe, you can change it to 200. So the first keyframe is gonna be on 204, and if you can make it 200 you can, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on 204. And also add another keyframe and change it to 0. Go on the first keyframe, take it in the beginning, and also the second keyframe, take it in the end. So we just need to make it more smooth, and to do that you just need to click on this graph tool right here. Click on the graph tool, and the graph I'm gonna be using is just need to tap on the third graph template right here. So you're just gonna need to tap on third template right here and take this all the way up. So now, as you can see, we have something which like this, and we are not done yet. So just need to add some effect, and go back, add effect, and go back to move and transform. And here we're gonna go ahead and look for the effect, which is swing. So keep until you find the swing effect, and once you have found swing effect, just click on it. And once you have done to click on swing effect, here you need to change some settings. So the angle, you can put it on 1. Go ahead and put the angle on 1. All right, there is okay. And go to angle 1, you need to add the keyframe. add first keyframe and also angle 2 add another keyframe. So to angle 1 you need to put it like on 3. You can put it on 3 or 6, so I'm gonna go ahead with 6 and take it in the beginning. And also the second keyframe on angle 2, also you need to take it on -6. So take it on -6 and take it in the beginning also. So add another keyframe on angle 1 and take it to 0. And also add another angle 2 keyframe and also take it to 0. So take it in the end, all the way in the end. And here I'm gonna use graph tool again. So this is the graph tool I'm gonna be using on all the angles. Let's use this graph tool, and to make it more cool you can add some motion blur. So go on blur and find motion blur effect. Here it is. So just go ahead and don't change anything, leave it the way it is. So here I need to mirror my image. So to do that, just click on effect and go to distortion warp. And once I've gone there, just find effect which names tires. Go on tires and click on tires. Go down and click on mirror. So enable this. As you can see, our image now is mirrored. And here, if you want to see the shake, if the shake works, just add some transition. So I'm gonna go ahead on zoom in transition. I add 2 keyframes, so I zoom in on the first keyframe and I take it in the beginning, and also the third one and also the second I take it in the end. So I'm gonna use this keyframe, this graph tool right here, and as you can see we have switch shake. And you can see we have shake which look like this. So this is the shake we get once you have done to do that. And guys, thank you so much for 15k subscribers. I really appreciate that. I hope this video helped you. If you did, don't forget to like it, leave a comment if you have any problem, and also subscribe for more